I've been working with MotionLit since they became MotionLit, and I find that their video work is some of the best I've ever seen. I've used MotionLit in a variety of cases, and usually it's before the case goes into mediation or settlement, because I like the defense to know that I'm ready for trial. The case of Lafitte, it was a case where a man, 49 years old man, was riding a bicycle at night without a light. Two deputy sheriffs were going to pull him over for riding a bicycle without a light. He was an African-American man. I believe that's the only reason they decided they would stop him, because riding a bicycle at night is an infraction. In this case, they ended up leaving their vehicle when he rode his bicycle to his house, got off the bicycle and went into the backyard. They got out of the patrol car and followed him into the backyard. He ended up getting shot in the back of the head, point blank, and he was killed. Now, in order to incorporate, to get a jury to understand what that entailed, I thought a video was most important to show Mr. Lafitte on his bicycle. We had still photographs of the path that he took into his backyard, and then we then recreated the struggle scene, which ended up with his death. The animation helped me to demonstrate the sequence of events as they occurred. We also incorporated the 911 calls from the people who were present at the scene. And with those two, the video was instrumental in getting this case resolved. When I had the Sheriff's Department and the executives from the Sheriff's Department there, I displayed the video. I can't talk about the mediation process itself, but I can tell you that it had a remarkable effect when they heard their deputy screaming for help, when they didn't notify dispatch that they were even leaving the vehicle, which is against their policies and procedures. We also use MotionLit to videotape the officers' depositions. When you have the same people who are doing your animation videotaping the depositions, it helps to get the answers and the questions incorporated seamlessly into the final product. And MotionLit did an excellent job in getting that done. I've used MotionLit for depositions. I've used them for animations. I've used them for day in the life videos. Almost anything that I need litigation support for, I use MotionLit. So they are a company that I relied on and do rely on to help me and assist me in my trial and mediation preparation. I find them almost essential for a difficult case where you have a divergence in the opinions of what occurred. If you do an animation that depicts the different versions of what occurred, then it's much easier to explain how theirs doesn't make sense and mine does. I think that animations and videos and even day in the life are helpful in resolving cases because the other side knows you're prepared for trial. It's a safe bet that if you want the best video and at reasonable prices, MotionLit should be your go-to video service. MotionLit is a hands-on company. They are there for you when you need them. They can change things when you need it changed. So that's, and the most important thing is the finished product is professional. They are a professional company and their work comes out flawless.